TLE, time limit exceeded. When does TLE occur? Most online coding platforms allow your program to run for only about 1 second. 1 second is approximately equal to 10 to the power 8 operations in the system. Let us say our algorithm has n square time complexity and constant is given as 1 less than n less than 10 to the power 3. When we substitute this 10 to the power 3 in n square, we will get 10 to the power 6, which is lesser than 10 to the power 8. So our code runs perfectly fine without any TLE error. If constant is given as 1 less than n less than 10 to the power 5, then when we substitute 10 to the power 5 in n square, we will get 10 to the power 10, which is greater than 10 to the power 8. Then we will definitely fall into TLE and our code stops executing. So whenever your code is expected to perform more than 10 to the power 8 operations, try to optimize your solution. If you find this video informative, do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching the video.